Hello! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system updates on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the Crown button to open the menu. And once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen. Now, find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the General and tap on it. Here, tap on the option called Software Update. And as you can see, we have the option called Automatic Updates enabled. So this means that the watch will update automatically at some point. But to check if you have any updates available, simply scroll down. And here, as you can see, we have the update available. And we have the list of what this update includes. And if you want to install it, scroll down, find the button called Install, and simply tap on it to start the updating process. Be sure though to place your watch on the charger and make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi network before you do, so you can update the watch. I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna take a while, but basically that's how you check for the system updates. And if you check here and it says no updates available, this means you have the latest version of the system. And once you're done, you can press the Crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check for the system updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.